Hey there, I'm Erica Soba bringing another marketing tip. Posting on social media as a service-based business owner should have some type of strategy or tactic behind it, but you want to be able to lead them down a path, lead them to a next step. I always encourage for that next step to be something where you're collecting their email address and in exchange, you give them something of value. The reason why this is so important to do is because social media is flaky and it's constantly ever evolving. And sad to say, there are some social media platforms that completely disappear. And so if you spent all this time building your following and building this audience on a platform that, let's just say, worst case scenario, decides, hey, we are completely leaving the online space, then all of your online following also is going to disappear. And we don't want that to happen because we're working so hard to create and nurture and build that community of followers. So if you're collecting those email addresses, it doesn't matter what happens on social media. You have those email addresses, those are yours, and you can continue to reach out to your prospects, to your leads, to your clients, and continue to nurture and build those relationships. So if you decide, hey, I'm moving over to this platform, you can send an email to everybody. Hey, we're no longer on platform X. We're going over to platform Z. Follow me over there for more valuable, educational, entertaining, and relatable information. This should be your number one strategy when it comes to showing up on social media, other than being consistent with showing up. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Follow me for more marketing tips, and I'll see you in the next video.